So, we have another unexpected cop. And it's unexpected because there was no official release day. I just knew that they were dropping at some point this year. And shout out to the Three Stripes for randomly putting these up. And like I said in my review of the black colorway, whenever these drop, I'm getting them. So, I'm a man of my word. So I got them. Yeah. Everything is all crazy. But we have another Adidas Mad Infinity 12 and a half. Definitely go at least a half size up on these. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap these and I'm going to cut back to the actual review. So we have the Adidas Mad Infinity in this gray and cream colorway, which is so fire in my opinion. Like when I seen the initial pictures of this one, I wish these dropped first. Because this one is 12 times better than the all black. I'm not really a fan of all black shoes, so I'm biased. But this gray and cream and tan is so crazy. So I did finally wear the all black pair this past weekend. Throw the picture up there somewhere. And this shoe is meant to be worn with something baggy. I know I say, wear what you want to wear, but in my personal opinion, if you're going to rock these, you need some baggy pants because the tight, slim fit pants, they're going to look crazy. I'm sorry. But you get the neoprene gray on the upper. You get this little piece of suede on the toe box with the 3 dots. You get some mesh as well wrapping around the lateral and medial side in that gray colorway with this 3M striping. You still get the 3 dots. Definitely a lot of Adidas branding on these. Another Adidas logo on the heel. You get that rough, rugged tan suede wrapping around the upper as well. And that crazy cream midsole. The outsole is pretty dope too. I like the clear plastic support system, I guess. That's what it is. I'm not sure, but more Adidas branding. Nice traction. They are comfortable. Like I said, I wore them to a game, so I didn't do too much walking around in them. But definitely comfort, all day comfort. I feel like I could have wore those, to any event. Like I said, definitely go up a half size at least. Do not go true to size on these. You will be disappointed. Half size up. If you have a narrow foot, once you wear them for a little while, they break them in a little bit. They are snug initially just because it's very hard to unlace them because the way the netting is, you get this neoprene, so that's already restricting, and it's kind of hard, like I said, to unlace them all the way down here because it's not that given. You can't open it up all the way to go down there, but that's why I say at least half size. A whole size, if you want to be safe, you probably can just slip them on. You don't have to worry about untying them or anything if you go a whole size. But then, I don't know if it'll be, too big. These are already a bulky shoe. You don't want to get them a full size too big. They might start slipping off, look crazy, but definitely add these to your collection if you like them. If you're able to cop these, I want to say they're 180 or something like that. I know the black ones, they went on sale in a few spots. So depending on what size you wear, if you're not a weird size like me, trying to get a 12 and a half or 13 and a half, something like that, you get the average size between 8.5 to 10 and a half. You'll be fine. You can definitely wait a few months probably, and you'll get them. Somebody have a sale. I know In Clothing had the black ones on sale, so I'm pretty sure these probably will follow suit, but I think this colorway is better. It's more appealing, I would say. But these were sitting on Adidas on release morning. I'll put a picture down, like the updated, whenever I edit this, I will put the updated sizing on adidas.com to see if anything sold out. I know the black one, once I caught my 12.5, not too long afterwards, they were sold out. But with these, I checked back on release day, and they were still full size run. So maybe people are waiting for the sale. You know, the Force came out this weekend. There was a lot going on. So you might get lucky, man. If you don't want to pay the full price, I understand. Trust me, I get it. Wait around, see what happens. Just Google to see who has them, and just monitor the sites to see if your size or anything close to your size is starting to sell out. Then you make your decision as you see fit. But this color is crazy. Crazy. Let me throw these on foot so y'all can see how they look on feet. I already know how they're going to fit unless they change something up, which I doubt it. But yeah, let's see how they look on foot, man. Appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Stay tuned.